We interrupt for programming. This is the national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message transmitted the request of the Discord server's danger warning. This is not in fact about the Discord server name Ethanthebestboi was nuking with Discord servers. And before it happens, if they trying to nuke your servers. And please do not click the link. Your Discord servers will be nuking. And please report him with Ethanthebestboi, named TehStonkifier. And they trying to nuke your Discord servers. Do not click the link. Repeat. Do not click the link. They going to nuke your Discord servers. They will be banned to your servers. And make sure to listen to emergency alert system.